My Nigeria, I don't bring no bunga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to the website. It just happened. The Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development will Festus Keyamo Dokon they make plenty Nigerians they laugh for this new year 2025 after when they come out to come the talk say federal government to get plan to establish aircraft manufacturing company for inside Nigeria and the facility go join body in between XJet and some Nigerian banks there. NSC Dokon call Nigerians then say make they ready for national boycott of telecommunication services. This one come mean say Nigerians go stop to use the services of some telecommunication companies them as they can use them as a means of protest against federal government. We go approve the 50% increment for on top telecommunication tariff. We go make calls, SMS and data go come dey very high now. The Impu community for inside Aninri local government area of Enugu State Dokon dey jubilate they celebrate on Wednesday, January 22nd, 2025 after where Mrs. Beatrice Ekweremadu will be the wife of the former deputy Senate president will be Ike Ekweremadu come back for United Kingdom prison. Wonder shall never end like my people they talk. This man will enter inside bus for inside Lagos State. Na so the conductor come tell am saying money na 1,500. Na so the man come use Yoruba to answer and say no problem. When it come reach time for the man to pay, na so the man come dey from deaf and dumb. We make kasala and we come bust out in between the conductor and the man.
Really? He talk. They be telling to bring money. Since he refused to bring money. They don't want fight. He say no problem you. But when I heard with my ear. He talked when we was entering. To God, the commander don't want fight. He said no problem. Get out put the bag up.
Now be small something and some Omila government they were the suspect to be hire killers. They don't go shoot come why one popular lawyer when name be Chinedu Nwowu and the government they be double crossed and come shoot and take my on Wednesday, January 22nd, 2025 in the evening for inside Ngbidi wey be in hometown as Owerri Court will close down for inside Ngbidi, Ukuta and also Omoma area of inside Imo State, and the close down today will be on Thursday, January 23rd, 2025 because of the moving of the Bonga lawyer.
Child, yesterday some gunmen shot dead a popular lawyer in Owerri, Chinedu George, the double-crossed him at Ngbidi, his hometown, and shot him dead.
The Nigerian police doctor person will be ACP Adejobi Dokon send New Year message to Nigerians as in the yarn say this year 2025 say make Nigerians say may they avoid trouble and may they respect the law and may nobody think say hand not go fit touch am say because the law not get respect for anybody. 140 feet container Dokon fall on top of one Lexus 330 SUV for inside Lagos State on Wednesday night will be January 22nd, 2025 and the two people that say they for inside the Lexus they survived this Ogbonge accident and nobody put by for on top this accident. The Kuwait Ministry of Interior Dokon arrest gang of Nigerian armed robbers the way they work on armed robbery after they go rob the currency exchange office where they for inside Al Mabula area con tiftalize foreign currencies that will reach about $16,500 and on Wednesday, January 22nd, 2025, now they come out con yarn this story. They don't arrest this Nigerian police officer we don't retire and his name na Inspector Linus Monday. They arrest him after when he go wearing uniform, carrying ID card, go they do stop and search for road. Meanwhile, he don't retire. 35 years old businesswoman one named Edith Nwachukwu, the Imo State Calabar Police Command Dokon arrest her say because she go beat her 13 years old house girl where her name be Kelechi Ejike, come wunjure all her body well as they come rush the girl take go hospital for treatment. Now on Tuesday, January 21st, 2025 evening, now Calabar Police arrest her.
If it doesn't work, this is this year. Yeah, one day.
I hope you are not getting. I hope you are not getting officers.
No. I am working.
The Ogbonge Nollywood actress wey named Ini Edo don come out to come talk. Say at the age of 26, now she marry, she come plan her life. Say before she go reach 31 years, say she go don born finish to face her career. Say but life not good the way say she think am at all. Come talk say she get over 6 miscarriages. Them the way say she dey for inside the marriage. Say na wetin make her take plan her life. We make her come go do surrogacy. They born her own pikin. Nigerians wey dey for inside South Africa don come out to come do an ugly protest because of the spoofing of one Nigerian man wey name be Jeremiah Ofobike Okoye, 50 years old, wey spoof by for inside police cell as the Nigerian Citizen Association of South Africa wey be need CASA come organize protest. They call for justice, and on Monday, January 13, 2025, na im spoof by for inside Limpopo, South Africa. The United States of American government don come start plenty deportation of illegal immigrants them as they don deport 394 illegal immigrants them, plus including Indians them. We say they be detain them for inside US-Mexico border. Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.